guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing a haul video of the Kiko Milano makeup products. We are really glad that Kiko Milano has finally come to India. I believe their first store was launched at the India Mall in Noida. And now they have also come at Promenade, Vasant Kunj, Delhi. I'm not very sure of other places or other cities where Kiko Milano has their store. But yeah, these two places definitely yes. So to start off with, the first thing that I got is this really nice eyeshadow duo. It's called the Bright Duo Baked Eyeshadow. It has a very nice, very glittery kind of a olive gold eyeshadow, and then it has this very pretty like a bottle green eyeshadow which is also a little shimmery. And these are the eyeshadows I'm wearing on my eyes today. I really like the this one, especially this shimmery one. It has a lot of shimmer. If you will wear it for your evenings, it will really look very nice and sexy. And yeah, I really love it. Now Kiko Milano has a lot of amazing eyeshadows. They also have these single eyeshadows, but I did not get them because I found them really expensive. Like one single eyeshadow was for almost 14 to 1500 rupees. This eyeshadow duo is for 900 rupees. So I still feel you're getting two eyeshadows for 900 rupees, which is not that bad. So yeah, this is what I got as the first thing. Next thing that I got is an eyelash curler. And I was actually looking for a new eyelash curler. The one that I'm using is from Sephora, which is pretty good, but I actually needed another one. So yeah, this is the regular eyelash curler. There is nothing too specific about it, but I'm looking forward to trying it out. And this one is for 590 rupees. Next thing is a nail paint. It is a very pretty, like a metallic deep red color. If you're loving this color, they have a huge variety of nail polishes with beautiful colors to choose from nudes to bright neons to metallics to French manicure and everything. And they have different price ranges as well. So the one that I got is for 290 rupees, this one. And then they had nail polishes which were more than 290 rupees. It's 493. That's the number. And yeah, pretty color. Next thing, I think this is one of my favorite in the entire lot, and this is this glitter, liquid glitter. And I'm like so happy that I finally found a liquid glitter for myself. This is the one that's an iridescent kind of a glitter. It has a lot of different shades. I actually saw the girl at the store wearing this glitter on her eyes, and I absolutely loved it. So that actually gave me a good reason to pick this up. I mean, right now in broad daylight, it is showing definitely, yes, but I think it will show up even better in at night time and when the light will hit. So I don't know if you guys can actually see the swatch, but I have actually seen the sales girl wearing this glitter, and it was looking really amazing. So it's not a very in-your-face obvious sort of a glitter. And as I said, it's iridescent. It reflects different colors, different lights, but it's quite pretty. So I think anybody who wants a glittery look but does not want a very heavy, in-your-face obvious sort of a glittery look, this is a really good option because it is soothing. It's not very harsh, but yet there is glitter. So, and also for daytime, I think it's a very good glitter because normally we don't go for heavy, harsh eye makeup looks during daytime. But if you want something for your brides or generally for your own self, but with glitter during daytime, I would recommend you guys to try this out. This one is number 01, and this one is for 790 rupees. Then I got some lip pencils, and I will strongly recommend you guys to buy these lip pencils. I got these in 4 shades. Now again, before you buy these lip pencils from Kiko Milano, you should be aware of the fact that they have different varieties of lip pencils at different prices. The one that I got are for 260 rupees each, which I think is a great deal. And I got 4 different shades. This one is 715. It's a very pretty purple. I will swatch it for you guys. And this is number 715, beautiful purple matte lip liner, and you can pretty much use these lip liners to fill in your lips as a lipstick. Then the next one that I got is 711, shade 711. These lip liners are very soft. They just glide on your lips, and even if you fill in your lips with these lip liners, they will look absolutely smooth. They don't sit in the cracks, and they're really good and long lasting, because I did try one of the lip liners and I absolutely liked it. Then the next shade that I have is 703, which is a very nice, like a reddish brown. So this is how the swatch looks like. It is so pretty. I mean, it's such a everyday wear sort of a color. It's a very, I would say, a soft rusty kind of a lip liner. And these lip liners are very soft, as I mentioned, and they give a very nice texture. They just look like lipstick. They don't even look like lip liners if you are wearing them as a lipstick. I'm absolutely impressed, and for a price like this is a great buy. And the last lip liner that I got is 702, which is, I think, all of my favorite, but I think this is, maybe it just has a special place in my heart. It's a very pretty peach lip color, guys, lip pencil. Anybody who is into peaches and nudes, I think this is the color for you. Now, as the time has passed by, the glitter is showing its result. It's looking a lot more reflective, a lot more glittery now. It's looking very pretty, yet at the same time it's not at all harsh. I am pretty impressed with the glitter. Now, the only product which I have not tried yet is their eyelash curler, so I cannot really review this right now. But as I told you guys, I'm wearing these eyeshadows on my eyes today. They are really nice. They have a good pigmentation, and I'm wearing it for almost 2 hours now, so they haven't really creased or anything of that sort. And this particular shade is very shimmery. It looks very flattering. Now, whenever I get a chance to go to Kiko next time, I'm planning to try their foundations and maybe some other stuff. But I'm pretty happy with whatever I got. Not too much, just a handful of items, but I wanted to give these products a start and see how they work, and then review it for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this review, a mini review and a mini haul of Kiko Milano. And if you guys are also using their products, then don't forget to leave your comments down below. Let me know how you find Kiko Milano products, and what all are you using, and what all you recommend, so that I can also give it a try. Whatever. So guys, till we meet next time, stay happy, stay safe, stay beautiful. Take care. Bye.